The Chamber of Commerce and Industry of the Republic of Abkhazia starts a project, Abkhaz, a visit your homeland, the main purpose of which is to help the representatives of Circassian diaspora around the world to visit their homeland. We are deeply interested in establishing friendly, close relations and expel cultural cooperation. From ancient times, our brother people have demonstrated an example of the highest human values such as courage, justice, and the ability to sacrifice. We must act in the spirit of the brotherhood, respect each other, and never lose our